What's good, Wealthbuilderz? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon Put in Work Burke. And today, on this episode of Funny Money Fridays, we're talking about Sean Diddy Combs and his surprising move to give all his old artists their publishing rights back. Now, we call it surprising because Diddy is known to be shrewd as a businessman and doesn't really give his artists good contracts, okay? This is from what we've heard. Yeah, I'm not an artist on Bad Boy Records or anything like that, or Bad Boy Entertainment, but this is the rumors and this is what we hear and this is what we've been told, so I'm going by that, all right? Now, I found this article about the whole situation and it says as follows. Sean Diddy Combs, the Black American rapper and producer, has made a surprising move by returning the publishing rights of Bad Boy Entertainment, the label he founded, to the artists and songwriters who helped build it, okay? Who helped build it. And at the peak of the record label's valuation, Bad Boy Entertainment was worth over $100 million. Some of the artists who have already signed agreements to regain these rights include Mace, Faith Evans, The Lox, 112, and the estate of the notorious B.I.G. Baby. Rest in peace, B.I.G. For real. Now, while specific financial details are not immediately available, these rights are said to be worth hundreds of millions of dollars. Now, if you want to check out the article, the link is in the description. Now, Combs had received deals from various parties interested in acquiring Bad Boy Publishing catalog, but instead he chose to reassign these rights to the songwriters. Now with that being said, with that, you heard it from the article itself. Like I said, the link is in the description if you want to read it. So my question is, why now? Why wait so long to give your artists their publishing? And my other question to the artist, why sign such bad deals? Like, I know we all want to get to the bag, but damn, not to the point you have to wait so long to get your publishing back, or if you're ever going to get it back. I guess the lesson we can learn from this situation is that make sure you have a real lawyer look over your paperwork before you sign it, and really fight for your money, okay? It's that simple. Anyway, thanks for watching. It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon Put in Work Burke, signing off for Is Bad Boy Going Down? Check my merchandise, t-shirts and all that for fall, and sign up to the Wealthbuilderz Newsletter. All links in the description. Do remember, Wealthbuilders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.